All right, everyone, get ready for the most fantastic dance you've ever seen. Time to stretch, twist, and groove.
And now, the legendary giraffe twist. 1, 2, whoa! Oh, my whiskers, Giggles! Your neck is dancing more than you are.
Hello guys, welcome to QTechStudio. Today I will tell you how to create a kid's story. As you watch now, just follow me step by step. And please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Step 1. Visit GravityWrite. Go to the website gravitywrite.com and click on 3D Kids Animated Story. Once you click, it will ask you what the story is about. For example, I am writing a funny story. Simply type your idea and click on Create Content. Now you will see 10 kids' story ideas appear. Choose any idea you like, copy it, and move on to the next step. Step 2. Generate the story now. Click on 3D Story Animated to open it in a new window. Paste the copied story idea here and specify the number of characters you want. Just enter the number and click on Create Content. As you can see, I have already clicked and the story is now ready, scene by scene. Copy the story and proceed to the next step. Step 3. Generate prompts with ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and paste the story to generate prompts scene by scene. ChatGPT will also provide settings and actions along with prompts. Check all the prompts one by one and copy them for the next step. Step 4. Create images with Leonardo AI. Go to leonardo.ai and paste the prompts one by one to create images. I have already pasted the prompts and as you can see, the images are ready. Make sure to check the settings for HD animated pictures. Download all the images one by one, scene by scene. Step 5. Generate videos with Runway ML. Now, go to Runway ML and start generating videos. Simply drag the images, paste the corresponding prompt, and download the videos one by one. Runway ML gives you 125 free credits, and it's free for commercial use. So, download all the videos and move to the next step. Step 6. Edit in CapCut. Open CapCut and import all the downloaded videos one by one. Step 7. Generate AI voice. Go back to ChatGPT and generate a character voice prompt scene by scene. Once done, copy the prompt and go to Runway ML. Click on Generate Audio, paste the prompt, and select the most suitable voice for each character.
Okay, I'm ready to head off on an amazing adventure.
Download the audio files one by one and save them. Step 8. Sync audio and export now. Drag and drop the audio files into CapCut and sync them with the video. Adjust the video length according to the audio to ensure a smooth and clear video.
You've ever seen. Time to stretch, twist, and groove. Go, Giggles!
Once everything looks perfect, click on Export and save your final video. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.